to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I will be showing you how to do a particular type of decrease. It's called slip slip knit, or abbreviated to SSK. I use this particularly for socks on the heel and the toe as well for decreasing. So this decrease involves 2 stitches, so knit up to where you want to decrease, and then you're going to slip the next 2 stitches knitwise. I do have a video on just slipping the stitches knitwise and purlwise, so I will link that below as well for you. So slip the next 2 stitches from the left to the right hand needle knitwise. Then all you're going to do is take the tip of your left hand needle and put it through these next 2 stitches through the front of the loops. And we will do it again in a moment as well, so don't worry. So through the front of them both, then yarn round and knit off. We'll do that again. Slip, slip again knitwise, both slips knitwise. Then tip of the left needle through the front of both loops, yarn over and knit off as normal. Well, I hope you've learnt something new today. I think this is one of my favourite decreases. It looks beautiful and flat, and it's also really fun to do. Please do give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'd super appreciate it. Thank you.